graph? Okay, today I would like to teach you about a graph. Do you know a graph? Hello?
I know graphic view.
Graphic, yes. Can you mention types of a graph? Types of graph. Pie chart, line graph, bar graph, and scatter graph. Yeah. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. A graph is a mathematical diagram which show the relationship between two or more sets of number or measurement. Jadi menghubungkan ini ya, garis vertikal sama horizontal kan. Kalau yang tadi, contohnya apa? Chart apa tadi? Saya kok lupa namanya. Selain pie chart itu, yang ada garis X sama garis Y. The synonyms of graph are diagram, figure, table, charts. Ya. Next slide, please. Ini ya line graph itu garis X sama Y, pie chart, bar graph, ada scatter graph. Next slide. Next slide, Mbak Mas. Types of movement in a graph. Tipe-tipe perubahan dalam grafik. Kalau turun itu fall. Jadi kalau meningkat dari misalnya poin 2 ke poin 4, double increase. Berubah-ubah itu fluctuate. Ke atas itu increase. Dari poin 4 turun ke poin 2 jadi half, faro kan. Nomor 6 itu mulanya berubah-ubah, kemudian stop rising. Kemudian mencapai titik puncak, ini namanya peak point. Kemudian yang paling dasar plumb, kemudian dari atas ke bawah, kemudian naik lagi ke atas, ini namanya recover. Kemudian naiknya menjulang tinggi, itu roket. Kemudian ini dari 2 ke 6, poin 2 ke 6 namanya increase triple point. Ya. Next slide, please. Lanjut, Mbak. Ini, for example, chart ya. The description is about tomato soup sellers 2017. Penjualan sop tomato di tahun 2017. Lowest point ada. Kemudian highest point itu titik puncak ya. Kemudian turun secara menjulang itu sharp fall. Kemudian kalau naiknya agak tidak maksudnya standar ya, normal itu steady growth. Ya, kalau peak point ini contohnya, we reach peak tomato soup sales in the third quarter of 2017. Jadi 4 bulan pertama, 4 bulan yang ketiga itu terjadi kenaikan penjualan tomat secara drastis sampai ke titik poin tertinggi gitu ya. Ini contoh lagi, next slide please. Ini contoh ya, judulnya Sales of Organic Vegetables 2021. Januari ke Februari ya, itu kan ada A itu kan. Itu gambarannya Sales of Organic Vegetables have increased from $1 million atau 1 million euros atau pounds di situ to 2 million pounds from January to February. Itu yang A. Yang B kan naik kan dari 2 ke 3 ya, 2-nya di bulan Februari, 3-nya di bulan Maret. Karena gimana gambarkan yang B? Sales of organic vegetables have increased from 2 million pounds to 3 million pounds from February to March 2021. Bu, itu Maret sampai April kok stagnan itu, Bu, di angka 3 juta itu gimana Bu cara mendeskripsikan? How to describe it? For C, sales of organic vegetables have increased from, have stopped rising, berhenti naik at 3 million pounds from March to April, gitu ya. Kemudian lagi April ke Mei ya, sales of organic vegetables have increased from 3 million pounds to 7 million pounds from April to May 2021. Kemudian yang E, sales of organic vegetables have increased from 7 million pounds to 11 million pounds from May to June 2021. Yang F kan peak point ya, titik puncak. Sales of organic vegetables have reached peak point at 11 million pounds in June 2021. Yang G turun dari 11 ke 6 ya. Sales of organic vegetables have decreased, turun decrease, kalau naik increase. Kalau stagnan tidak ada perubahan, stop rising. Yang G ya, have decreased from 11 million dollars to 6 million dollars in June to July 2021. Yang H sekarang, sales of organic vegetables have decreased from 6 million pounds to 4 million pounds from July to August 2021. Yang I sekarang, sales of organic fruits have stopped rising at 4 million pounds from August to September 2021. Kemudian yang J, sales of organic vegetables have decreased from 4 million pounds to 2 million pounds from September to October. Kemudian yang K, sales of organic vegetables have decreased from 2 million pounds to 1 million pounds from October to November 2021. Kemudian sales of organic vegetables have stopped rising at 1 million pounds from November to December 2021. Itu ya Mas, Mbak. Slide selanjutnya. Nah, ini ya penjelasannya, you may read by your own. Next slide. Next slide. Sales by region. Ini contoh penjualan apa misalnya furniture ya. In North America, West America, East America, and South Africa. South America. Sales of furniture in North America is 32%. And then sales of furniture in West America is 21%. Sales of furniture in East America is 25%. Sales of furniture in South America is 22%. Kayak gitu ya. Next slide. Sneakers. Sales of, ini apa ya, coklat ya, or snack ya. Milky Way 33%, Toblerone 5%, 29% Twix, 19% KitKat, Snickers 14%. Oke, caranya baca. Sales of Milky Way is 33%, sales of Snickers is 14%, sales of KitKat is 19%, sales of Twix is 29%, sales of Toblerone is 5%. Next slide, please. Apa ya enaknya? Jualan apa ya enaknya? Jualan furniture di berbagai kota ya. Sales of furniture in Kudus is 24%. Sales of furniture in Jepara is 10%. Sales of furniture in in Pati is 9%. Sales of furniture in Semarang is 26%. Sales of furniture in Jakarta is 32%. Misalnya kayak gitu. Next slide, please. Ini ya, penjualan HP Sony ya di berbagai tahun, mulai 2004 sampai 2017. We will describe start from 2004. Sales of Sony Mobile in 2004 is 40 units. Sales of Sony Mobile Phone in 2005 is 50 units. Sales of Sony Mobile Phone in 2006 is 70 units. Sales of mobile phone in 2007 is 100 units. Sales of mobile phone in 2008 is 90 units. Sales of mobile phone in 2009 is 50 units. Sales of mobile phone in 2010 is 40 units. Sales of mobile phone in 2011 is 40 units. Sales of mobile phone is in 2012 is 40 units. Kemudian sales of mobile phone in 2013 until 2014 is 40 units. 45 units, sorry. Sales of mobile phone in 2015 is 30 units. And then sales of mobile phone in 2016 until 17 is 10 units. Any questions so far? Hello? No question? Coba I would like to ask you, for example, Mbak siapa ya? Mbak Ormas, Mbak Ana Furoida, please describe for the sales of Sony Mobile in 2000. Catch what I mean? Mbak Ana Furoida. Coba Mas Rangga. Mas, sales of mobile phone in 2006. Sales of Sony Mobile in 2006 is 70 units. Misalnya gitu. Oke, any question so far? Ada pertanyaan nggak? In the evening or tomorrow, hopefully I will inform you the type of mid-semester test because next week will be mid-semester test. Okay. See you for upcoming occasion. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Ya, you are welcome. Direkam ya ini, direkam, di-share ke YouTube khusus kelasmu ya. Okay. See you, assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.